Chenro mag duoko e miech gi nyithindo mosebedo kao jotie kuonde rito nyithindo mojwang' koro nyalo chakore bang' tieko kenge mokwongo mag temo chenrono e kaontis moko 13 ma Thurka. Jakom mar duol mochung'ne weche nyithindo Sofia Abdi Nur oyawo chenrono e kaonti ma Embu kiny ma kawuono kendo jiwo jokanyo koting'o weg kuonde rito nyithindo mondo mi osir gi lwedo. Olero ni okang' ma duoko nyithindogo e mier nochaki bang' nonro mararieya kendo yango ni nyithindo dongo kod chia ka ginie familia magi. Jalbuche doho ma Embu Lucy Njuguna olero ni bad migao mar doho siro chenro makamano.
This is something that the work we have continued to do of supporting technically and providing finances and technical support. We'll continue to do that. At the county level, we will ensure care reform in Embu continues to be implemented so that our children can be able to safely return back to their families.
We have been taking children's matters very seriously, and especially the adoption matters. And it is important for everybody to understand that you don't have to have a lawyer for you to bring up an adoption, for you to file an adoption cause. These are matters where we do not apply procedure technicalities. Okay? If you just file if you just file the application, we'll guide you on how to go so that it takes the shortest time possible.
We have a document, we have a vision, we have a mission, and we have a approach of integrating the children who are in institution to the families and to the communities. And we want to use those strategies so that we get it right for us to reintegrate the children to the society and to the community and to the families, so that it is in the best interest of the child. And we want to do it in the right way so that we do not create another monster that will give a problem to the child.